Guys, welcome to the video. Again, something different. Trying to evolve things and do lots of different things, not just Pokemon. This is basketball stuff. It's unbelievable how much money some of these cards can be worth. I'm talking millions. I'm not saying there's cards worth millions in these boxes, but there's chance of rookies like Zion, Williamson is a really good rookie to get. There's a lot of good cards that you can get in these boxes. It's cost me about £2 for these. They're not cheap because I've had to get them over from America, but there is a lot of potential. There is autographs in some of them. There's lots of good things that could be in these boxes, so let's see what we get. Make sure you hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And yeah, let's see what we get. This is a first off the line Origins pack. I got this directly from the Panini website. There's only one pack in it, but it could be a good pack. I'm hoping so. This is a first off the line, so it means this was the first run of it, basically like first edition. And you get one pack. One pack, and it cost me, I can't remember actually how much it cost. It wasn't cheap. But yeah, we're here to take the risk and see if we can get anything good. Right, let's start at the top. Starting off with a TJ Warren, Indiana Pacers. I'll check if the cards are numbered or not on the back. If the cards are numbered, it means they're rarer. Isaiah Stewart, Detroit Pistons. D'Angelo Russell, Minnesota Timberwolves. Nothing on the back of that one. Here's a CJ Column. That is a 16 of 21. As you can see there, there's only 21 of these cards been made. Wow. That's amazing. Right, what's this? Is this a booklet? Oh, no. I don't actually know what this is. Hold on. Oh, wow. A patch, Origins, rookie, Josh Green. 1 of 35. Wow. That's amazing. And we got Emmanuel Quickly, signature from the New York Knicks. And he's a rookie. That's a 28 of 49 card. Another absolute banger. And then Tyler Hero from the Miami Heat. What a... Wow. That was really, really good. Look at that. That is a piece of his shirt. A 1 of 35 made. They only made 35 of this card. That is incredible. And an auto as well, which is 1 of 49. Absolutely buzzing with this. What a start. Right, I'll put these ones over to the side. Right, next. What are we doing next? Let's do one of these Revolution boxes next. Hopefully we can get a Zion. Would be nice. Right. You can also get numbered cards in these, which can be quite good again. There are also autographs. So yeah, these can be really, really good. I've seen a few people opening them, and I've seen some people get some absolute fire out of these boxes. Right, first off is Draymond Green. No number on that one. John Collins. We've got a John Wall. And we got a rookie, RJ Hampton from the Nuggets. Sadly not numbered. I'll put that to one side. Their rookie cards are always worth keeping. And we've got an Isaiah Stewart, which is also a rookie from the Pistons. Sadly not numbered again. Right, pack 2. I've been waiting for these boxes for absolutely ages. Because they come from America, it just takes forever to get them. That's nice. RJ Barrett. No number on it. We've got a Terry Bozier. Eric Gordon. A Tyler Hero. And a Shockwave Anthony Davis from the Lakers. Sadly not numbered again. Let's see what we get in the next one. A Buddy Hield from the Kings. Joel Embiid. A Jonas Valanciunas. Defo got his name wrong. A Rudy Gobert. And a Robert Woodward II, which is a rookie from the Kings. Sadly, not numbered again, but I'll put that to one side. Always keep the rookie cards, because they can be incredible. Right, starting off with a Bam Adebayo. DeAndre Ayton from the Suns. Jrue Holiday. Anthony Davis, I know who he is, from the Lakers. And a Jamal Murray Vortex card. Look at how cool these look. Cards we're looking at for any rookie cards from the big teams. Pascal Siakam. This guy, I know this guy. James Harden. What a legend. From the Rockets. It's a nice one. Sadly not numbered. Got a Jaden McDaniels, rookie. And a Tyrese Maxey, rookie again, from the 76ers. Keep the rookie cards. I'd love to get a Zion, a Luka Doncic. These are the sorts of players you want to be trying to hit. A numbered card of one of those players is going to go for big money. Carmelo Anthony. D'Angelo Russell. Oh, we got a Patrick Williams autograph card. Wow. From the Chicago Bulls. And he's a rookie as well. And it's numbered to 100. That's an absolute banger right there. Look at that. Looks amazing. Oh, look at that. We've got a Luka Doncic liftoff card. That's incredible. It's not very well cut. That's our first Luka we've ever packed. So strange, the shape. Absolutely love that. Nothing on that one. Right. Next. Ben Simmons Evolution card. We've got a Aaron Burns, or Baines. Andre Drummond. I've heard of him. We've got a Norman Powell. That's of 100. Nice. And a Tyrese Halliburton. And he's a rookie. Another rookie to keep. Right, last one of these. I'm going to do a Prism one next. Starting off with Zion Williamson. Wow, we got a Zion card, guys. It's not numbered, but we will take Zion all day long. Kuzma. We've got a Brook Lopez. And a Jordan Nwora. And a Trae Young Supernova card. Sadly not numbered. Wow. Absolutely buzzing there. We got an amazing signature Yeah, that's brilliant. I am so happy with that. Right, next, a prison box. 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Never opened one of these, just the same as all of these. I've not done basketball before, but I just really, really enjoy it. I love watching the openings. I think it's great. They just, yeah, it's just something different, which is always good. Right. Florida, USA. That's cool. Right, here we go. 4 cards per pack. Let's see how we get on. Love to get a Zion out of these. There's a rookie, Cassius Winston. Not numbered. Eric Bledsoe. We've got a Luguentz Dortz. And a PJ Washington Jr. Not numbered. Next. Right, a Brian Forbes, San Antonio Spurs. Got an Aaron Holiday, the Pacers. A Kira Lewis Jr., Emergent. And a Kevin Knox II. Number 163. So normally you get one autograph in these packs. At least one, it says. Theo Maldion, which is a rookie from the Oklahoma City Thunder. Legend Dort. Oh, we got a green one. Pascal Siakam. And a Daniel Feast. Pascal is not a numbered one. And that's not numbered. Right, James Johnson, Minnesota Timberwolves. Oh. Oh, wow, look at that. A Dwight Powell, Dallas Mavericks. And that's a piece of his shirt. Not numbered, but look at that. That's incredible. Absolutely love these cards. Like, I could sit and open these all day. Precious Achua, which is a rookie. Not numbered. And then Mars Bridges from the Charlotte Hornets. All right, Demir Carroll from the Houston Rockets. Got a Royce O'Neal, Utah Jazz. Giannis, I'm not going to try and say your last name, mate. Milwaukee Bucks. And Jordan Clarkson from Utah Jazz. Right, last one of these. We've got Jamias Ramsey. That's a rookie card. Cameron Johnson. We've got a Dwayne Wade USA Prism. Not numbered, but still a nice one. And a Steph Curry from Golden State Warriors. I do like Steph Curry. Right. Let's do this one now. Is that the top? Yep. Come on, let's get a banger. Oh, is Zion in this box? Imagine it. We get a numbered Zion card and we are absolutely laughing. And I mean laughing. Right, let's do this. Right, starting off with a Carmelo Anthony from Portland. Got a D'Angelo Russell. We've got a... Yeah, I'm not saying that name. Is not a rookie. That is a rookie. Not saying his name. That's a nice one. And LaMelo Ball. Wow. That is an amazing one. Love that. Another rookie card. Rookie Revelation. Right. Andre Drummond from the Cavaliers. We've got a Colin Sexton from the Cavaliers. Aaron Gordon from Orlando. A Devin Booker from the Suns. And we got a Bradley Beal Revolution Vortex card. Not numbered. Right. Kyle Kuzma from the Lakers. We've got a... Yeah, I'm not saying that name. It's so shiny, I can't even see the name on it. Davis Bertans. Not numbered. We've got a Desmond Bain rookie card. Numbered to 149. Nice. And we've got Obi Toppin rookie as well. Rookie Revelation. Starting off with Lou Williams from the Clippers. Victor. Yep, I'm not saying that one. Tyler Hero. Oh, this is nice. Kira Lewis Jr., who's a rookie. And a Supernova Kawhi Leonard. Not numbered. CJ McCollum from Portland. Got a Nikola Jovic. Jimmy Butler. Oh, nice. We've got a James Wiseman rookie revelation from the Warriors. Sadly not numbered, but that's still a nice one. A rookie. And a Josh Green rookie as well. We're getting some nice rookie cards here. Right, starting off with a... Yep, not saying his name. I will definitely butcher that one. Kristaps Porzingis. I think that's his name. Al Horford from Thunder. Got a Derrick Rose. We've got a Draymond Green. And we've got a Revolution Vortex Pascal Siakam. Not numbered. 2 to go, and then we have got the Prism box left, which I think guarantees a autograph. Right, Zach LaVine from the Bulls. We've got a Kemba Walker, a Mike Conley from the Utah Jazz, Goran Dragic, and then we ended up with a Xavier Tillman rookie card, not numbered. Right, last... Oh, we've got one more pack, sorry. I'm losing me marbles. Gordon Hayward. Got a LeBron James from the Lakers. Not numbered, but that is still nice. Get a LeBron. Never had a LeBron before. Lonzo Ball. We've got an Aaron Naismith rookie. And we ended up with an Obi Toppin from the Knicks. Not numbered. We've done well out of these. I am so happy. Let me know in the comments, guys. Should I do more of these boxes? I can get more. It'll take a while, but I can get more. Let me know what you think. If you like this sort of thing. And obviously when I'm going to send off the cards for grading when they come back, I'll show you the grades on here as well. So make sure you subscribe. If you like to see PSA returns, we do a lot of Pokemon stuff here. Well, we have started doing other stuff as well just recently, just to try and change things up a little bit. And let me know where you live. I'm interested to see how many people are from America that will actually watch this video. Right, Harry Giles III, Sacramento Kings. Daniel House, Houston Rockets. Oh, nice. Got a purple De'Aaron Fox. Not numbered, but that's still a nice one. And a Darius Bazley from the Oklahoma City Thunder. Next, Denny Adidjar. Ish Smith. We've got a Bradley Ball Dominance from the Washington Wizards. And a Kemba Walker from the Boston Celtics. The dream here is to get an auto card that's a rookie that's got a number on it. That's the dream. Russell Westbrook from the Rockets. Harrison Barnes, Sacramento Kings. Draymond Green, Golden State Warriors. And a Goran Dragic from the Heat. Right. Next, we've got a Mark Gasol. Oh, what is this? Why is it the wrong way around? Is it? Nice. Anthony Davis, LA Lakers. Sensational. Look at that. That is amazing. Devin Vassell, San Antonio Spurs. And a Josh Richardson for the Philadelphia 76ers. That is amazing. Just look at that. Right. Not saying his name. It's a rookie though, so we'll keep him. Tim Hardaway. Dennis Rodman from the Chicago Bulls. Wow. I'm keeping that. Shabazz Napier. Last pack coming up. Alright, here we go. Andre Drummond. Thomas Bryant. We've got an Emmanuel Quickly. Instant Impact. And a Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Guys, I'm absolutely over the moon with how this has gone. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you did. I shall see you next time for the next video. Have a good one.